it to daddy. Pass it to daddy. Yeah. Catch it. Okay then. Oh, kick it. Kick. Yeah, very good. One more. One more. Kick. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Kick it. Oh, galing ah. Oh. Okay, kick to the house. Catch it. Catch it. Catch. Oh. Get it. Get the ball, please. Oh, give it to daddy. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Kick it. Yeah. Say hi to mommy. Hi, mommy. Abo, may gano'n na siya ngayon ah. Flying kiss nga. Hi, mommy. Yeah, pupo. What's this? Oh, say hi to mommy. Flying kiss to mommy. Where's the ball? Oh, keep your shoes, the slipper there. There, at the shoe rack. Put it inside. That's enough. It's good. Up.
Good. Very good. Oh. Two diggers. Diggers. Very good. Oh. Diggers. Here. What's this? Yeah. Okay. What about this? What number is this? 3. Very good. What is this? Oh, you count na. Count. What's this? What animal is this? Na. Daniel, what animal is this na? Oh, what is this? Oh. Balls. How many? Very good. Come na, Hita. 3 balls. Oh, what's this? Very good. How about this? 10 kites.
Kites.
Very good. Very good.
Binilang niya yung color eh. Binilang niya yung color.
Where's the dito? Daniel,